Hello Sandra, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for 2016 Lexus IS 200T. The model is the F Sport model, comes with alloy wheels, very clean, black interior, leather black interior. The price for this vehicle is $27,888 plus HST and licensing. No damage found, very clean record Carfax, and also it's entire vehicle. At this time, this vehicle is available for you, and it's very well maintained, very clean inside, and it comes with a sunroof. If you want me to secure this vehicle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you once again. Our business hours, it's Friday, today is October the 9th, and we close at 6 p.m. And tomorrow we open 10 to 4.